Hi guys, today we are at Ikea shop in Shanghai. Welcome to shop with us at the Ikea shop today. The Chinese will call it Ija. You know Chinese they like shopping, right? This is a pretty great place for that your dream home. But before we continue, consider subscribing to our channel, and if you want more content like this, please let us know your thoughts in the comment below, so we will happily bring out more content like this to you in the next episode. And you all know IKEA was founded in Sweden in 1943, and it is one of the most recognizable furniture stores worldwide as we speak now. They have a total of 433 shops worldwide. And guys, their annual sales, you can imagine, their annual sales is more than 27 billion euro. Guys, they have great ideas for every room in your home. And the prices, they are great. Let me break it down, okay? Whatever your budget is, IKEA, they'll always have merchandise for you. They have great employees who are friendly and they're fast. They have, massive and great ideas for whatever decoration you need in your dream home. Guys, it's a place to visit. This is my first time being there, and I can assure you that it's a great place. Even snacks, okay, the tasty snacks, they have the snacks there. This is the juice making machine. Yeah. And it's pretty cool, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And this is a steam pot. Yeah. This is how we do our shopping here, right? Yeah. And these things, they are pretty cool. These are pretty cool. These are steam pot. And we have our juicy. And we have this is like a flask, a steam flask, right? Mm-hmm. And it's pretty cool. Like, it's very warm. You can keep your water for almost 8 hours a day. Yeah. Yeah. This is pretty cool. And the price is good too. Yeah. The price is good. Okay. Very good.